Hello, dear friends. How are you? So, you want to become a digital coach, you want to share your knowledge with the world, you want to live a freedom lifestyle, and you want to create systems that work effortlessly on automation. Then, this is Guruji Sunil Chaudhary, your digital success coach. I'm here to help you become super successful digital coach. You don't have to worry about anything. Don't ask me any questions. From zero to hero, you will become super successful digital coach. Apart from the fees, you need simple, complete faith, and I will take care of each and everything. You are required to make videos and record lessons. That's it. Rest everything from ads to lead magnet to lead nurturing to content writing to website, blogging, video editing, shorts, YouTube channel, social media, everything is done for you. That is so powerful quantum service. CBS Quantum, India's number one premium service, and unmatched services, unmatched support from Guruji Sunil Chaudhary and from our team, Just Bazaar. Right? So, if you want to become a super successful digital coach, do not think anymore. Join CBS Quantum today.